Hello, Jason Hall at Rapid Rescore LLC. I'm doing these, what do you call them? Vlogs, as you say. Weekly info that I'm getting across my desk that I wanted to share with a lot of the loan officers out there, consumers that are looking to purchase homes. And it's really all of it's credit related as far as improving your credit scores so that you can get your file into underwriting, get that credit approval, get the pre-approval letters out so you can go house shopping, things of that nature. So one of the things that came across my desk this morning actually was, and it's very interesting, is a new credit account, a new trade line that is going to start to be reported to your credit reports that is probably not on your radar. And what it is the buy now, pay later installment. Well, they're going to be reporting as installment accounts to your credit reports. And a lot of people don't realize this. TransUnion, Experian, Equifax are now picking up or are in the process of picking up these trade lines through being reported through eOscar, which is how they communicate from the creditors to the credit bureaus electronically to report payment information. They report as a installment account. But what a lot of people may not realize is if they go out and let's say they split up into four payments, their Starbucks purchase or something bought online or concert tickets, things of that nature, and which cuts down the price. You spend $1,000 for a concert ticket for your family, and let's say you forget to make a payment on that installment. Well, guess what? Your scores tank because now you have a 30-day late on your Klarna account or one of those. I don't have all the names of them nailed down just yet, but it is pretty big. And they can be helpful if you're thin credit profile or new to credit, you need to get a trade line on there. Uh, like rent reporting or Experian Boost has where they'll report your utilities, your cell phone bills, things of that nature to improve your credit score. So this is something that kind of blew me away when I read it because a lot of people just click that and split it into four payments and make it affordable, but they don't realize that it can affect your credit. So that's one of the things that I saw this morning. I thought I'd share and put it out there to you. If you're looking to improve your credit scores for a mortgage transaction, refinance your property, I have an excellent process to audit your credit report, generate an assessment for you. And with the aid of AI, I've been prompting Claude for months to get this down to a science. It's very intuitive, very user friendly. Reads through the sections. It's got a summary. It's got actions that you can take. It's got credit utilization targets. It's a packed full of information that I share with anybody that's interested in this free audit, and it'll put you on the right track to a good credit score. I've got rapid rescoring as well. It's an industry term standard in the mortgage industry that I've adapted over the years, and it can update your balances on your credit cards in 5 to 7 business days. It can remove collection accounts with pay for delete letters in 5 to 7 days. So it's an accelerated credit improvement. It's all legitimate, in writing, guaranteed. It's a data change. It's not credit repair under the traditional sense of disputing items on your credit report. So it's a very effective tool. Reach out to me. You can visit the website at rapidrescorecredit.com or call me direct at 949-505-9971. I'd be happy to discuss any credit questions you have. And stay tuned, make sure and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to push out these updates as they come across my desk. A lot of really good credit information that you need to know about it. Thanks. Take care.